right, so I want you to remember what we've learned about spiders, about arachnids in science. And I need hands, and please be inventive at this point. I know that you don't probably remember anything about spiders, but do it, give it your best shot, okay, as adults to remember this. And if you need to look something up on the internet, feel free right now, okay? So raise your hand and tell me, what do you remember about spiders, boys and girls, that you've learned this week, okay?
They have 8 legs.
What else? Yep, either one.
Flies in their web.
Okay, keep going.
They spin web.
What else?
They have 2 body sections.
Some are poisonous.
There are different species of spiders. Or kinds.
Keep going. I'm going to put spiders are, no, the scientific name of spiders is arachnid.
Spiders are not insects.
Keep going. If you need to look something up, do.
They have fangs. And most have venom in them.
They're different colors.
Some spiders bite.
2 more.
Some people have arachnophobia.
One more.
Meat eaters.
Okay, so we've written a whole bunch of stuff about spiders. Okay, everybody's contributed something. And then we can create a Wordle out of that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. So we press on go, and it takes all of the words that we entered and determines which ones have been said the most. And it creates a Wordle. And there's our Wordle. Isn't that cool? And what we can do with that Wordle is change it out a little bit. Down here we have randomize. So if we don't like that Wordle, it'll come up with a different one. There's another one. But I'm not sure why we're not getting the whole thing. I bet it has something to do with the fact that I'm on a map. Is there a way I can get rid of this up here? That you know of? Maybe I can just scroll to see it. Let me do this. Oh, that's kind of cool. Should we stick with that one? So suddenly we've got all of our spider words happening right here on the screen. Now think about what's just happened. You've been reading about spiders, you've been studying spiders. I've asked you to regurgitate information about spiders. So do you think I'm getting an idea as a teacher about how much you've learned? Yeah, this has been an assessment tool for me. I now have an idea about how well I've taught about spiders the last 3 days, okay, and how much you recall from your science book and from the articles I've found you and from the websites you've been to. I have an idea. And we've put the words on a screen. And so now, since you did that as a group, these are your words. These aren't the book's words. These aren't my words. These are your words. Now you're going to take your words that you've given me, And we're going to write some new verses to spider, spider, spin your web, spider, spider, drop your thread. Those are easy lines that we've been singing. We're going to take those lines and you're going to change them out a little bit. Spider, spider, eh, eh, eh. Spider, spider, eh, eh, eh. Only the eh, 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 when you get to the end, guess what it has to do?
Rhyme.
It has to rhyme. So what we're doing is we're writing couplets about spiders. Okay? You're going to be writing a couplet about a spider. And it's going to fit the same rhythm pattern as spider, spider, eh, eh, eh. Spider, spider, eh, eh, eh. Let's sing it with the eh, eh, ehs. Ready? Spider, spider, eh, eh, eh. Spider, spider, eh, eh, eh. Okay, what I've done as a teacher is I've just given you a structure. Okay, and I've given you a structure where I want you to write a poem. But I never said I want you to write a 14-line poem and every line has to rhyme. Or you have to have 2 here that rhyme and 2 here and 2 here and 2 here because that would be too big. That's too scary. That's too impossible. Instead, I've taught you a 2-line couplet about spiders. I've given you the opportunity to list some words about spiders to get your creative juices going. And now I'm going to turn this activity over to you in small groups. And in your small groups, you're going to come up with a couplet for spider, spider, eh, eh, eh. Spider, spider, eh, eh, eh. And it has to rhyme. Anything you want, but it has to be spider, spider, eh, eh, eh. Spider, spider, eh, eh, eh. It has to fit that rhythm, and it has to rhyme. Okay? I'm going to give you some group time. Will you move to that group, and so we'll have 1,